So are you one of those who can understand English but can't speak English? There are majority of people in India who are able to understand English, but when it comes to speaking, they are stuck, they are nervous, they are out of confidence, they just freezes in their brain, they are blank. It all happens. In this particular video, we are going to reveal why it happens and how we can resolve this issue. Okay, let's first start and let me ask you one question, which is very normal. How are you? You probably say, I'm fine, what about you? This sentence, this question was very normal, and we generally answer this question, right? So, how do you know, and why are you so confident answering this question only, and why not speaking in front of people? You know why? Because you don't practice. How are you? I am fine. You have heard many times in movies or you have read somewhere. It's very normal, right? But why don't you speak in front of people when it comes to speaking? Let me tell you what you can do here. First, and the most important thing, you can speak small sentences like I'm sitting, I'm talking to you, he's dancing. You can stick to I only. You can talk to you, I'm dancing, I'm playing, I'm eating, all this stuff. I mean, it's very normal. You can also do one more thing. You can ask question to yourself and you can answer by yourself. It just kind of a self talk, like, what am I doing? Oh, I am speaking. What did I do yesterday? I took bath yesterday. So whenever you ask yourself some question and you answer it, this benefits you. I mean, you know the things, you know tenses, you know modal verbs. Even then, you're not able to speak. It's just because you don't practice. First thing I said to you, like, you have to ask question and answer by yourself, right? Okay, let's practice it right now. So, what am I doing? So you'll say you're speaking. What am I speaking? You'll say you are speaking in English, right? So this is how you start. I'm not saying you have to go with the question and answer only. What I'm saying right now is you have to go with the small sentences. Once you're getting in the habit of speaking small sentences, you can speak big sentences, long sentences as well, right? And few things you need to work on more, like lots and lots of reading. You have to read every day. Now, this is altogether a different thing, like what you have to read. I will tell that in a different video, because some of the people start reading newspaper. Okay, so that's not going to work. Okay, first is reading. Second, you have to listen every day. I'm now listening altogether is a different game. What are you going to listen? Are you going to listen the movies or match commentary? That's difficult. Of course you can do that, but it depends on your level. For the beginner, it's difficult, right? So two things you have to work on: listening, reading, and self-talk, or questioning and answering to yourself. This will actually boost your confidence. Of course, you're not gonna uh, be so fluent within 2 days or 3 days. It will take some time, but I'm damn sure, like, if you did this for 1 month, 2 month, or 3 month consistently, I'm telling you, this is gonna be the life changing, and there'll be no problem whatsoever. Like, later on, you won't have the problem like, understanding and not speaking. You will definitely contribute while you have any conversation with any people, whether your friend or colleague, whoever is there, right? So, first thing, self talk. Start with small sentences. Second, start reading and start listening. This itself will enable you to speak perfect English later, not right now, but one day you'll be able to speak very good English. So this is how you can resolve this issue. So if you enjoyed this, you can comment English, and I'll see you in the next video then.